Hey guys, Daniel's here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I just received a package from Glossier and it is their long-awaited, highly requested mascara. And this is Glossier Lash Slick. Lash Slick. Lash Slick. So, I am going to do an unboxing, first impression, and I'm gonna test it on my eyelash and see how it holds up throughout the day. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. So the mascara is in your pretty standard Glossier packaging, which is white and pastel pink. They have all the information printed in the back, and the mascara itself is 0.29 ounces and it's retail for $16. So it's not super expensive, but it's not quite affordable. It's like a mid-range kind of mascara, and the tube looks like this. It is really cute actually. It is a plastic tube, very slick, and also on top there's a raised G, so it feels great. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight. I would believe this is gonna get dirty pretty easily just because of the color of the tube, and the mascara itself is black, so this is gonna get dirty pretty easily. And on the website, Glossier claims this is a perfect everyday mascara. It curls and sculpts as it lengthens, enhancing the look of your natural lashes instead of clumping them together. This has fibers that coat lashes from root to tip to create a lengthened baby extension, while the flexible film forming polymers lift and lock each fiber into its place. Right off the bat, this does not claim to give you like intense fake eyelashes kind of look, but it's just more like your lashes but better. The thing I like about this is that it is water resistant, but it's not waterproof, so it's gonna stay on your lashes all day. It's gonna survive through sweat and tears, but you can easily remove it at the end of the day with just water and soap. So yeah, that's what I like about it. Let's just try it on my eyelashes and see how it looks like. So here's what the wands look like. It is very thin. I actually see a lot of bristles, so it would probably comb through the lashes really easily. The most important thing when it comes to mascara for me is the bottom lashes. As you can see, I have no bottom lashes, or my bottom lashes are really teeny tiny and really thin. So I am going to see if this would help my bottom lashes. So this side is with Lash Slick. Like my eyelashes are pretty noticeable, like it's pretty long. This is one coat, this is 4 to 5 coats, and that's my nose. But yeah. Hi guys, so I'm back. This is actually the next day because when I filmed the first segment yesterday, it was around 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and I felt like it would not be a good time frame for me to test the product. So I wore this all day today. Wore this starting at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it is now 6 p.m. Here are my final thoughts about the mascara from Glossier. This did a good job in lengthening my eyelashes, separate them, make them look very natural. They just great in enhancing my natural lashes, so that's a plus. Also, it did not clump, it did not flake throughout the day, it did not give me raccoon eyes. The formula is kind of dry, so that's why I think it stays on for a longer time than the wet formula. Also, the wand is amazing in combing bottom lashes. There are some things that I would like to note. First, this did not curl my lashes, so my lashes are naturally straight, and this just make them straighter and longer, but it did not really curl my lashes. So if you're looking for something that would curl your lashes, then this is not it. But if you still want to try this, I highly recommend curl your lashes before you apply this. Also, this is not vegan because it has beeswax in it, so if you're a vegan, I highly recommend trying out the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. So overall, I really like this product. I highly recommend this if you're looking for something that is for everyday wear, that would enhance your lashes and make your lashes look really natural yet still very long and beautiful. I highly recommend this. If you're looking for something that is more of like a dramatic fuzzy look, this would not be it. But yeah, if you're looking for a natural everyday mascara, I highly recommend this product, and I actually love it. I'm gonna fucking buy a lot more because I feel like this would also work for my eyebrows. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.